guys, welcome to another video of You Wanna Do Jiu Jitsu at 40. And thanks for coming along with me on this journey. And I want to show you a couple moves that I've learned using one of these stability balls. They're pretty great. I got this one on Amazon. It's called Trident. Yeah, this one, there's different balls, but this one's a 65 centimeter ball. This one could hold up to 2,500 pounds, so it's like a commercial one. They sell cheaper ones. I bought one for like $5 from like a $5 store, but it only holds up to like 250, which is not bad. But I'm always afraid that like if you pop it, will it just instantly deflate? But this one is kind of like if it cuts, it'll just deflate slowly. So it's a lot safer. So it's $25, but it's definitely worth it. I want to hit my face on the floor. So let's get to it. Let me show you a couple exercises that that I started learning. One of the easiest ones to do, get started with, is just balancing on the ball. So all you gotta do is just sit on the ball and just watch TV. Just and what you want to do really is try to keep your hands. Let me show you from the side. Keep your hands stable and just start lifting your feet up. Okay, just kind of let your feet dangle. So you can sit back a little bit. So you can just kind of learn to balance on the ball. And this will allow you to start using your abs and keeping your abs tight. And you can kind of do this kind of motion. Oh, watch out. I'm still new at this, but doing this in my bedroom. So you just want to kind of keep the motion going, keep the balancing, which is pretty good. Another thing that you can do is, after you get a little bit more balance on this, is start to do some triangles, like triangles. So you can, once you get more balance, but you can start kind of practicing these. Still practicing at it, but you can kind of practice these, as you go on, get some more in there. And this is great because I can only practice jiu-jitsu at my gym like once or twice a week. Actually, one day is like kickboxing, karate. Another day is grappling. So this really allows me to keep moving around at nighttime, for like a half hour, 45 minutes, still practicing some other stuff. So that's one thing you can do with that. Another move is knee balancing knees on the ball. I'm going to show you that. But once you get on there, you can start it. Takes a little practice at first, but you want to practice just moving knees and keep your hands on the ball. So this will allow you, so let's say when you're grappling with somebody, you get your knee on belly, and you want to keep the pressure on them all the time. So this allows you to work on that. So this takes a little bit of practice, but once you get a little bit better, you can see some more improvement and more balancing. Use the hands. Okay, so that's another thing. Another thing that I seen, obviously learning from some videos of guys. I'll even put their link on this video so you guys can see a little more professional doing it. But doing like basically doing some mounting on the person. So like we do some side steps here, side steps there. We do on the side steps here, and then basically you're just like landing on the guy, just like that, and you can pop up. Do a side step here, side step there, side step back, and then just you're dropping on them and keeping that pressure down. And your opponent pop up, side step, drop. Let's back up, side step, and drop. And you can drop straight on your belly, or you can even go on your side. Okay, this simulates, grappling. You can see I'm completely sweating right now. And this really gives you a great workout. Side step, side step, side step, bounce. Okay. Now, one of the last steps, sorry I'm whispering, my kid's sleeping right now, so. But one of the last moves, kind of cool, it takes a little practice. It's kind of like this simulates grappling with somebody rolling. And let me kind of demonstrate. So first you're on top of them. And this is, you're balancing as well. And you want to kind of like roll. So what you do is you're going to roll to the left first, then to the right. So what you want to do is tuck your hands in. And you get your feet out. Sprawled out. See, my foot's over here. Sprawled out. And then I start rolling like this. Okay, and you see that? Upside down, balancing. Okay. Then I'm rolling back again. Okay, all the way through. And I'm right on top. Okay? And it takes a little practice. Watch out, you can slip and fall off the ball. But tuck in. You're rolling. Okay. See, I'm on top like this. Then I'm rolling back over again. This way. I'm gonna do it on the side. So you're here. Okay? And you start rolling in. Okay. Go this way. And I could just roll back. Okay. Yeah. One. I slipped off the ball. That's okay. Go back up. So I'm rolling here. You can see. And go back up. The ball. So that's another thing you can do. Get some good exercising while you're off from the gym. I've only been doing this for about 7 minutes, completely drenched, but it's a great exercise. One of the last things I like to do, I've seen some videos where if you want, to not injure your back, your lower back, is by your lumbar, is by strengthening those muscles by your lower vertebrae, because you can get a lot of injuries. So if you don't have a strong lower back protecting your vertebrae, then you can get an injury, even not even playing sports, even picking up a paperclip. So there's some really good exercises that I'm going to show you right now. And one of them is you basically lay in the ball, kind of do it sideways here, and you keep both hands behind your back, and just lay down, just fall on the ball, and then raise up. Just keep your back raised for like a couple seconds and relax. And just raise up. You'll feel the your lower back tense up, and then do it like 10 times. Up, down, up, and down, up, hold it, down, up, and down, up, and down, up, and down. Okay. So that's one exercise that'll strengthen your lower back. Another exercise we can do is called Supermans, which are pretty cool. Same concept. You just lay on the ball, keep your feet spread out, and what you want to do is when you lift up your left arm, raise your right leg. Okay, that's called the Superman. So lift up. 1. Okay, same thing with the other one. Lift your leg up, Superman. Do it like 10 times. Yeah. That'll strengthen your back. Just hold it for a couple seconds. You might see one side of your back be a little stronger, so just work on the other one. Okay. You see that here? Okay. Do that like 10 times. Let's see. I'll show you from this side. And that's it. There you go, Superman. You do all 4. Whoop. So that's another episode. This little other stuff were more like conversations, my Jiu Jitsu ones, but there's some more now starting to get into the more of the exercise stuff. So I'll try to put some more videos up, and I'll put a link to this ball if you're interested in buying one. I really like this one a lot. I gotta pay like $25 from Amazon. But guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Click on notifications and keep rolling. See you soon.